you can check this water heater. It's the best water heater ever. They call it Rim Performance Platinum. So it's last 12 years. It's 50 gallons and it's very good. So you can check the status of your water heater by checking the light. When the light is blue, that's mean so it's everything is normal. So check the code. Look, you see there is a lot of codes in it, so you don't have to be a professional to understand it. Look, you see when it's the blue, that means it's not a normal operation. So you have to check the code. When you see any code and then it's turning red, you might have one of those problems. Look, you see this? All right, you can see. All right, you have to always check the code of your water heater. You see the code is blue, that means everything is normal. All right, that was a short video for you. All right, watch it and learn. It's a 15-gallon water heater. It's the best water heater ever. All right, on the market. Look, Rim Performance Platinum. All right, that's it.